Hey guys, so the next video is gonna be all about saving and uploading your Scratch project. So I'm just gonna use the previous video file. So basically how you're gonna do it is just gonna click here in file and then you can choose to save now, save as a copy, load from your computer or save to your computer. So the easiest way is to save now. All right, so it's already saved. And then when you want to upload your projects, you can use this one, load from your computer. So that's how easy it is, guys, on saving and uploading your Scratch project. So I hope this video helped you out with your Scratch projects. And please do not forget to subscribe because we are going to be uploading a lot of more videos about Scratch that would most probably help you get or ace that Scratch project that you're doing. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is your homeboy Josh of Basic Value, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next one, guys. Peace out.